Reality is being reshaped before our very eyes. Every week brings announcements of more advanced models and technological solutions that propel humanity forward. Authorities that are wise enough to adopt the new trends will not only meet the rising expectations of residents, but will also surpass them. This is your opportunity to anticipate tomorrow's challenges and turn them into a springboard for success. To this end, we established MiC, the Smart Cities Innovation Center by Mashkal. MiC, owned by all the local authorities in Israel, is the leading body for promoting innovation in local government. Our center is an ecosystem of smart and sustainable cities, standing at the forefront of a global network for municipal innovation.
The future of the municipal world depends on innovation. At Mashkal, we will accompany you every step of the way, from vision to execution. And all of this is backed by the knowledge and experience of our people, who have been committed to local authorities for over 50 years.
At MiC, we are here to provide a gateway to a new world of innovative smart management that is focused on the future. Join us on this journey, and together we will make life in cities and communities across Israel much smarter, for the residents and for each and every one of us. Contact us. We are always here for you.